lost luggage may finally be a thing of the past because Samsung just teamed up with Turkish Airlines to let travelers track their bags in real time right from takeoff to touchdown. Hey Gad Insiders, welcome to your hub of latest tech news, feature that could change air travel forever. Samsung and Turkish Airlines have launched the SmartTagged baggage service, which is a high-tech system that blends the airline's luggage management with Samsung's powerful SmartThings finance platform. The idea is simple but game-changing. Passengers drop a Galaxy SmartTag into their suitcase before flying. If the bag goes missing, gets delayed, or simply takes an unexpected detour, travelers can attach a live tracking link to their lost luggage report, giving airline staff the exact real-time location of the bag. No more vague, we're looking into it. No more days waiting for a call because now your suitcase tells them where it is. To make things even smoother, Samsung has added a new change device image feature inside SmartThings, allowing users to upload an actual photo of their luggage. So instead of guessing what a bag roughly looks like, staff can literally search for the exact one on screen, making it much faster, much easier, and much fewer headaches. The tech behind all this is a massive network of over 700 million Galaxy devices quietly scanning nearby tags using Bluetooth Low Energy and ultra wideband, helping locate missing items even when they're nowhere near your phone. It's like giving every traveler their own global search team. And Samsung isn't stopping here. The company says it's already working on expanding the SmartTag baggage service to more airlines worldwide, so this could soon become the new normal for airports everywhere. For travelers tired of the airport blunders, Samsung just delivered the best way to guard your stuff. Will this feature be useful? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming updates. Samsung is turning up the volume at CES and it wants your living room to sound and look smarter. Hey Gad Insiders, welcome to your go-to for all the tech news. Samsung has revealed 2 brand new Wi-Fi speakers plus refreshed soundbars packed with AI tricks ahead of CES 2026. The new speakers, called Music Studio 5 and Music Studio 7, are designed to blend into your space with a clean, minimalist look and won't hide behind your TV. It's like a stylish decor that just happens to sound really good. The Music Studio 5 is the smaller, simpler option, but it still packs a punch. It features a 4-inch woofer, dual tweeters, and a built-in waveguide for clearer sound. Samsung's new AI dynamic bass control boosts low-end depth without distortion, and you can control everything with voice, Bluetooth, or Wi-Fi. It's basically a smart speaker that doesn't scream on tech gadget. Want more immersion? The Music Studio 7 steps things up with 3.1.1 channel spatial audio, using top and side firing speakers to create a 3D soundstage. It supports high-res audio up to 2 4-bit 96 cods, includes advanced calibration tools from Samsung Audio Lab, and can work solo or sync with other Samsung speakers. Soundbar fans aren't left out either. Samsung introduced the HWQS90H all-in-one soundbar, a 7.1.2 dash channel system with 13 drivers and a built-in quad bass woofer. It even auto-adjusts its audio depending on whether it's wall-mounted or sitting flat. Samsung also refreshed its flagship HDU990H, adding smarter dialogue enhancement and auto-volume balancing for smoother listening. All of it hits the CES 2026 show floor soon, and Samsung clearly wants your next upgrade to sound smarter, look cleaner, and hit harder than ever. For more updates like this video, comment and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update. Imagine you're bored, so you just want to go and stare inside your fridge, but your fridge starts marketing a totally different product, far away from food. Yes, you heard that right. Imagine having ads on your fridge. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. Samsung recently confirmed that certain models of its Family Hub refrigerators will now display curated promotions on aisle screen themes like weather, daily board, and color. The ad placements won't show up on art or gallery themes, and Samsung insists they won't bother you a lot. But let's be real, the mere idea of commercials on a $3,000 appliance is already rubbing customers the wrong way. The company is calling it as part of a pilot program meant to enhance value for users, but for many, it feels like a way to get money out of their wallets only to pay premium prices for a smart appliance, then get served ads like you're watching free TV. Want to make it worse? There's no out. Disconnecting the fridge from Wi-Fi is the only way to avoid ads, but doing so also disables the very smart features you paid for. It's a classic modern tech dilemma: convenience versus privacy, and now marketing. If this bothers you, you're certainly not the only one. Users are already on the internet voicing their frustrations, and Samsung support channels are likely to hear more in the coming weeks. Whether this backlash is loud enough to stop the trend remains to be seen. But one thing's clear: the The line between home appliance and digital billboard is officially blurring. Welcome to the future of your connected kitchen. The thing which had only the job of keeping things fresh will now market products you don't even need. What are your thoughts on this upgrade? Let us know in the comments. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech updates. Yo tech fans, Samsung just inked a massive $16.5 billion deal to supply chips for Tesla's AI revolution. Is this a game changer for both giants? Welcome to GadInsider Hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into this historic partnership. Samsung announced a $16.5 billion contract to provide Tesla with cutting-edge 2nm chips through 2033. This deal's a big win for Samsung's foundry business and Tesla's AI ambitions. Want to know what's inside? Keep watching. This long-term agreement, worth 7.6% of Samsung's 2024 revenue, will see Samsung produce Tesla's next-gen AI6 chips at its new Texas facility. Elon Musk says it's key for Tesla's AI advancements, powering future innovations. The deal's estimated to bring in $1.9 billion annually, boosting Samsung's struggling chip division. Samsung's 2nm tech stealing Tesla from TSMC is a major coup. This TSMC dominates the logic chip market, but this contract shows Samsung's closing the gap. Analysts call it a potential game changer, with Samsung's shares jumping 3.5% in Seoul after the news. This deal strengthens Samsung's global semiconductor cred. This partnership isn't just about money, it's a strategic win for Samsung to reclaim market share and a boost for Tesla's AI-driven future. Running through 2033, it could reshape the chip industry's competitive landscape. Is Samsung now a serious rival to TSMC? With Samsung's Texas plant firing up and Tesla's AI6 chips on the horizon, this deal's set to make waves. Stay tuned for more as both companies push the tech frontier. What's your take on this partnership? Drop it below. That's the scoop on Samsung's $16.5 billion Tesla chip deal. Are you hyped for Tesla's AI6 chips or Samsung's big win? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Want to know who's been king for soundbars for 11 years straight? Spoiler, it's Samsung, and they're not slowing down. From mind-blowing Dolby Atmos to AI-powered audio, their latest gear is turning your living room into a cinema. Stick around to see why Samsung's crushing it and what's coming in 2025. What's good, audio fans? Welcome back to GadInsider. Samsung just dropped some big news. They've been crowned the world's #1 soundbar brand for the 11th year running, according to Future Source Consulting. With 20.1% of global revenue and a legacy since 2014, they're untouchable. Let's unpack why Samsung soundbars are stealing the show. So what's Samsung doing right? In 2024, they grabbed an 18.4% share of soundbar sales worldwide, and their secret sauce is no secret. It's epic sound. Their flagship HW-Q990D launched last year. It's a beast with 11.1.4 channel Dolby Atmos that makes movies feel like you're in them. It's got Q Symphony tech, syncing perfectly with Samsung TVs for surround sound that hits every angle. Plus, AI-powered audio tweaks the vibe based on your room. It's like having a sound engineer at home. The HW-S800D, their slim lifestyle model, is just as slick, packing big sound into a compact frame. Sources call the Q990D the best Dolby Atmos soundbar of 2024, and others gave the S800D an editor's choice nod for style and power. Why does this matter? Samsung's not just selling soundbars, they're redefining home theater. That 11-year streak proves they deliver what you want: immersive audio, seamless TV integration, and designs that fit any vibe, from minimalist to mega. The HW-Q990D's AI smarts and the S800D's sleek look earned raves from outlets like Newsweek, and posts on social media are buzzing. One fan called it a concert in their living room. Looking to 2025, Samsung's teasing more new AI features, better connectivity, and audio processing that'll push the limits. If you thought 2024 was loud, next year's lineup might just blow the roof off. Alright, let's make it personal. Picture your dream setup with a Samsung soundbar. What's blasting? A Marvel blockbuster with explosions everywhere? Your gaming squad dominating the surround sound? Drop your ultimate audio fantasy in the comments.